Hi guys, today me and my sister are gonna be doing a haul of all the fidgets we got at a shop. And yeah, let's get started. So first I have this red squishy. I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna open it. Oh, that feels so nice. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, that's a plastic thing. ASMR. Oh, it's so nice and squishy. This is what it looks like here. Now she's gonna go. I got a bread, but it's not the same sweet. So uh, in front of the camera. So she also got a bread squishy. Show it. This is what it looks like. Okay, so these are our two bread squishies. Now we're moving on. Okay, so moving on, I have this slime. It has a little flower on top, and um, it looks like that. So yeah, pretty nice. So got one. But yeah, I don't know why. It has a little cherry on the top of it. Yes. Don't open it all the way, Dahlia, because that will happen. Okay, so put that back, 'cause we don't want to make a mess. Okay, so moving on, I got this infinity cube, and I want to open it so bad. I've been waiting all day to just open these. So yeah, here we go. Let's open this. Okay, so here's my infinity cube. Here you go. That's the whole of that one. Not finished. Okay, so next, my sister has this. Yeah, it absolutely pops. So like, also the eye broke off. And so, God, I'm having stuff. So next I have this goose, and it's like really squishy, and I like it, kind of cute. And ice cream squishy. It looks so real and realistic. Right, and now I have this capybara like red squishy. I don't even know what it is, but it's so squishy and so fun to play with. So yeah, here it is. Next, I got this Taba squishy that I really want to open. I'm gonna pause the video and so I thought this was a Taba squishy, but it's not. It's still pretty fun to play with though. So I have this really bouncy back. I have this